Marriage is not just a contract. It is a covenant. So ang relasyong mag-asawa ay hindi galing sa tao. Hindi ginawa ng tao. Ito'y galing sa Diyos at ginawa ng Diyos. So what are the 7 pillars of a godly, successful marriage? Review. Tinalaki natin yung Tuesday, yung first pillar, number 1, is the pillar of partnership. Nalaman po natin that marriage is not a solo journey. It is a sacred partnership journey with God. Number 2, second pillar, nalaman natin kahapon, is the pillar of purity. Purity in marriage is the very cornerstone of their relationship. Ito yung pinakahaligi ng kanilang pagsasama. And when it comes to purity in marriage, take note that purity is not an old school. It is God's divine ordained school for every couples. Pag pinag-usapan natin usapang purity, hindi ito yung laos na. Hindi ito yung hindi na uso. Nananatiling tapat at totoo na sa relasyong mag-asawa ay dapat matatag ang tinatawag nating haligi ng kasakdalan or purity. So ngayong umaga ito, talakayin natin yung pillar number 3, the pillar of prayer.